Hello dear students, this is your Renu ma'am. Welcome to this video, and in this video we will discuss about variation of acceleration due to gravity with height h. Okay, so in the previous class we have already discussed about what is g, what is acceleration due to gravity. So just recall it and then we will do further topics. So beta g, acceleration due to gravity is defined as the acceleration produced by a freely falling body. That simply means that if we are having a body which is in the state of free fall and the acceleration is just producing in it just because of the gravitational force of attraction of Earth, in that case we will say that the acceleration produces acceleration due to gravity. So how does this acceleration due to gravity varies with height? Okay, so let's discuss about this. So today's topic is variation of g with height h. So here I have just drawn a figure of Earth. Okay, this is it. We are having our Earth. Like the center of Earth is O. The radius of Earth is capital R, and we are going to find out this point, the acceleration due to gravity at this point P. Here the point P is at height h from the surface of the Earth. तो बेटा जी हमारे पास में surface of Earth से कितना है h height पे है. The total distance OP, that means from center of Earth to this point P, that is equal to r plus h. Okay, so let's do further. Beta g, the acceleration due to gravity, at the surface of Earth, is given by g is equal to capital G m upon r square. Question number 1. This capital G is universal gravitational constant. This m is mass of the Earth and r is the radius of the Earth. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ बेटा. That r क्या है हमारे पास, radius of Earth है, and this m is mass of Earth. Fine. So small g is equal to g m by r square. Now acceleration due to gravity at height h, that means at point P we can say, है ना, at height h, that means at point P. So what is its value? So for this purpose what will we do here? Simply we will say that it will be gh, because it's acceleration due to gravity at height h. So I have just used the symbol gh is equal to g m upon r plus h whole square. This is equation number 2. Now what will we do? We will just divide this expression second with first. That means on dividing second by 1, we can say that gh upon g is equal to gm upon r plus h whole square upon gm upon r square. Okay, that means gm upon r plus h whole square into r square upon g into m. This g and g get cancelled out. This m and m will also get cancelled out. So I left with r square upon r plus h whole square. Okay, so I am having this expression that gh upon g is equal to r square upon r plus h whole square. So square is there in numerator and denominator as well. So I can write like this, r upon r plus h square. Okay, this expression can be written like this also. Now here in right hand side, मतलब gh upon g is LHS left hand side, r upon r plus h is right hand side. So we will just divide numerator and denominator both by r. Then we will have that gh upon g is equal to r by r is 1 बेटा, upon नीचे भी r plus h upon r का स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं हम. ओके, तो दिस r and r will cancel out, 1 आएगा ऊपर, तो इट विल बी 1 upon 1 plus h by r का स्क्वायर, बिकॉज 1 स्क्वायर तो ऑलरेडी 1 है, तो इट इज 1 upon 1 plus h by r का स्क्वायर. सो फर्दर व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल जस्ट राइट डाउन लाइक दिस, gh upon g is equal to 1 upon 1 plus h by r whole square. That simply means that क्या करने वाले हैं वो देखिए अब हम. ओके, देखिए जरा फटाफट बच्चे. We are having gh upon g is equal to 1 upon 1 plus h upon r का स्क्वायर. when denominator will move towards numerator, in that case, that means we are doing reciprocal. Simply, that means GH upon G is equal to now 1 plus H upon R to the power minus 2. Okay, here we will use the binomial expansion and we will say that this minus 2 will come here. So beta G, it will look like this 1 plus minus 2 into H upon R. ये हो जाएगा आपके पास में. So from this we can say that GH upon G is equal to 1 minus 2H upon R. So GH is equal to G into 1 minus 2H upon R. This is the expression of acceleration due to gravity at height h. Okay. So from this we can suggest that acceleration due to gravity decreases with height. Why? Because G जो है बेटा acceleration due to gravity at the surface of earth is 9.8 meter per second square. तो होता क्या है आपके पास में कि जब हम हाइट पे जा रहे हैं तो इट इज 1 minus 2h upon r. तो G into 1 G हो जाएगा minus G into 2h upon r. That means the net value is just decreasing. So as we are moving away, we are moving at height h from the surface of the earth, we will say that the acceleration due to gravity decreases. तो आप हाइट पे जाएंगे तो वैल्यू डिक्रीज करेगी. ठीक है, एक बार रिकॉल कर लेते हैं फटाफट. We have just write down the expression of acceleration due to gravity at the surface of earth, that is equal to gm by r square. Clear? Now at the height h, gm by r plus h square. यहाँ पे पूरा मास कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है. मेक श्योर m जो मैंने सेम रखा है वो चेंज नहीं किया, पूरा कंप्लीट मास, क्योंकि हम अर्थ के हाइट के बाहर हाइट h पे ले रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली द एंटायर मास ऑफ द अर्थ इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टुवर्ड्स एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी एट दैट हाइट h. So gm by r plus h whole square. Now when we divide expression 2 by expression 1, we will say that gh by g is equal to this thing upon gm by r square. Okay, it will look like this. Now here gh by g is equal to gm by r plus h whole square into, क्योंकि अपॉन था रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो into r square upon gm. G and G, capital G will get cancel out. Capital M and capital M will also get cancelled out. So I left with r square upon r plus h whole square. That is equal to r by r plus h square. Okay, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, कॉमन ले सकते हैं. नाउ अब हमने न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही तरफ बच्चे डिवाइड किया है किससे? r से. So gh by g is equal to r by r upon r plus h by r. R by r is 1. Again r plus h upon r है बेटे जी, तो r upon r plus h upon r. It become 1 plus h upon r. स्क्वायर हमारे पास ये है, ऊपर 1 का स्क्वायर बनी रहेगा, तो हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. सो फर्दर हम इसको जब ऊपर लेके गए, ये न्यूमरेटर, अभी डिनोमिनेटर है यहाँ पे, जब इसे ऊपर लेके गए न्यूमरेटर में, तो इट विल बी 1 plus h upon r is to the power minus 2. This minus 2 will come here using binomial expansion, and we are just neglecting the higher terms. उनको हम अभी कोई यूज नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि वो टर्म्स और छोटी होती जाएंगी. तो सिंपली वी विल जस्ट डू 1 plus minus 2h upon r. अब ये प्लस माइनस बिकम माइनस, तो हमारे पास एक्सप्रेशन आ गया gh upon g is equal to 1 minus 2h upon r. तो बेटा यहाँ से gh की वैल्यू आ जाएगी g 1 minus 2h upon r. So simply we will say that at height the value of acceleration due to gravity decreases. Okay, so in this video we will do this part, and in the next video we will do variation of g with depth. Okay, till then bye.